I'm Jeff Schwartz of Schwartz Performance, and here we are again with the Raybestos 53 pickup. We've got the entire back half of the truck on here now, and all these sheet metal components, the bed and so forth, came from Dynacorn International. Really nice stuff. We've done a little mini tub on there to fit the wider tires. As you recall, in the beginning this had a flatbed on it, so we've ditched that and put a short bed on here, along with our Schwartz G-Machine Chassis, which is designed for a short bed truck. You can see our Rock Valley tank. The filler neck just protrudes slightly above this board so we can get to it here. And we've got 27 coats of clear on top of these wood boards here. These are oak, and incidentally. We put a little stain on there, which was a dark walnut stain, to give it a little darker look. And then we've got our polished stainless bed strips and our polished button head screws holding the fenders on.